Okay, look, this isn't supposed to be dramatic or over the top with you, right? But this is actually supposed to be informational, okay? Meme coins are volatile, fast, emotional, don't know, unpredictable, stuff like that, right? And you don't have basic controls over what you're trading, you're just not going to be profitable, okay? The meme coins will expose your weaknesses and beat you to your knees. Here are some very basic rules that you should be learning when you're trading meme coins, and if you don't follow them, 9.9 times out of 10, you are not going to be profitable. First rule though is going to be fix your risk per trade. If you don't know exactly how much you're risking before you enter, you should not be in the trade. Not position size, not actual risk. If your stops are getting absolutely railed, what percentage of your account is going to be missing? If you're randomly sizing like based on, I don't know, feel, confluence, that's not trading. Your impulse, like your impulse trading. You gotta pick a fixed percentage and then stick with it. Not like adjusting because something looks better, looks good. Number 2, please set a daily loss limit, okay? If you lose as much money, stop, okay? If you need a clear number, stop for the day, right? You pick a clear number where you're like, all right, if I lose 20% of my account, I'm done, okay? And then you gotta stick to it, right? You need a clear number where you stop for the day. 2 losses, 4%, whatever fits your system. But once you hit it, you're done. You're done. You're done. You're off the charts. You're done. Why are you off the charts and why are you done? Because now your mentality is like, all right, I need to make my money back. And you're not going to make your money back, or you might make your money back, but then one of those days it's going to catch up with you. And then you're not going to have an account anymore, or you're going to have to put more money back into the account. Okay, if you can't walk away after hitting your limit, then the market will eventually force you to. And then rule 3, you gotta have some type of trading session, okay? Whether it's from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Right now, you're not Cupsy right now. I'm not gonna lie, you cannot be trading 24/7, okay? And that's just respectfully honest with you. You're not profitable. You cannot have that type of mentality that you're just this big macho man and you're gonna rinse the markets for everything that they have. No, they will rinse you and dry you out and actually hang you like a towel until you put more money in and then rinse you again. Okay, you gotta have a session where you're like, all right, I'm do the best during this time. I'm the most focused during this time. My mentality is the best during this time. I'm more locked in during this time, whether it's the nighttime, whether it's in the morning time, no matter what it may be. You have to be locked into a certain session at first. Listen, and the 4th one, which is actually really important, okay? If you're bored or you're frustrated or you're trying to make back a loss, right? Don't trade. It's that simple, okay? You should have no reason to make back any type of money. You should be having no reason to trade when your mindset is flipped. There will always be another day and there will always be another coin, okay? Simple. Basically, emotional changes decisions, and decisions changes your actions, and actions changes results, and your results are going to be bad. Strategy very much matters, but discipline matters more. If you cannot follow basic structure, then you're just going to lose your account. And that's just keeping it real with you. There's nothing wrong with stepping back. There's absolutely nothing wrong with stepping back and building your discipline first. Trading is not about proving that you can enter. It's about like proving that you can control, like yourself, basically. If you can follow these 4 rules consistently, you will have a great chance of being profitable. I do have a free Discord where I do teach about discipline and mentality to people who actually want to earn that other 50% of trading profitability that you must have to get profitable. Because 50% of it is strategy, and nobody talks about the other 50%, which is honestly crazy to me. It's completely free to start, so you can check it out.